Welcome to Top Scholars, the smart learning app. Today, we will explore the world of types of pronouns through a skit. Let us join Mr. Grammar and the missing pronouns of Grammarville as they relish their adventurous journey. Let us participate with them and unwind in the extraordinary world of types of pronouns.
Hello, Top Scholars! We were introduced to personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, and demonstrative pronouns. We learned of their uses with the help of examples. I will share some important clues with you. A. Possessive pronouns do not use an apostrophe. For example, hers. B. Reflexive pronouns are only used when the subject and the object are the same in a sentence. For example, correct. She is writing the assignment herself. Incorrect. The teacher gave the students themselves book. Correct. The teacher gave the students their books. We are about to solve the mystery of the missing pronouns.
We stand in for the noun that is the subject or object of a question. For example, who is participating in the cooking competition?
These are the most peculiar looking pronouns. They make the sentence more informative because they introduce more details about the noun.
Yes, Mr. Grammar. We relate a phrase to a noun or pronoun. We provide more information about the subject or the object.
A phrase is a small unit of a complete sentence. For example, in the morning, a phrase is an incomplete thought.
Yes, Mr. Grammar. We connect the phrase to a subject or an object. We help in completing the sentence. For example, she is a teacher who inspires me. We refer to non-specific persons or things. For example, everyone has to complete their homework.
Who is everyone?
We refer to anyone or anything in a group. We do not refer to a specific person or a thing. For example, several students have completed their homework.
Indefinite pronouns are useful for non-specific statements. It addresses everyone present in that space and time. These are the jolliest of all the types of pronouns.
We are useful in showing a reciprocal relationship between two subjects in a sentence. For example, they respect each other.
You emphasize mutual actions between two or more people.
Yes, for example, subject, noun, words such as they, them, and those.
Top Scholars, it is time to celebrate. Please like the video and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. We will be back with more mysteries to solve. Stay tuned, keep practicing.